Class 10 Trigonometry. Today I will start your trigonometry. So first you have to see triangle. Triangle ABC. This is your triangle ABC. Triangle A, B and C, in which the angle B is right angle. So you can write here 90 degree. So what will be happen in triangle ABC? As you know, by Pythagoras theorem, it is AB squares plus BC squares equal to AC square. It is your equation first. Now dividing by AC square to equation first. Now come to the how can divide. It is AB square plus BC square divided by AC square. So what will be happen here? AC square upon AC square. Now AC square will be cancel out to each other. AC square and AC square cancel out. Now separate the AC square on both. That is the AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square is equal to 1. Now once again it is AB upon AC, that is whole square, plus it is BC upon AC whole square. So it becomes 1. So what will be happen in this triangle? You can see AB upon AC. What will happen? AP is perpendicular for this angle. Suppose this angle is theta and the base is this one and it is your hypotenuse. So what will be happen? AB upon AC, that is the perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is sine of theta. Similarly BC upon AC, that is cos of theta. Now put these values in this equation. Now what will be happen? So we can write here it is sine theta whole square and plus it is your cos theta, that is whole square, equal to 1. Now in general we can write like this: sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So it is your first formula for your trigonometry. By this we can find like this formula. So 1 minus sine square theta equal to cos square theta, and the second is 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. Now once again come to the second part. Now in this triangle, the triangle is once again we can make like this. This is your point A and this one is your point B and it is your C, and this angle is theta. Once again by Pythagoras theorem, what will be happen? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now dividing by AB square to equation second, what will be happen? It is AB square upon AB square plus BC square upon AB square is equal to AC square upon AB square. Now come to their result. So it will be 1 because both are cancelled out to each other, and here is BC upon AB and whole square. And here is AC upon AB and whole square. Let us see in this figure what will be happen BC upon AB. BC, that is the base, and AB, that is perpendicular. So base upon perpendicular, that is cot theta. So we can write here 1 plus cot theta whole square is equal to, what will be happen in AC upon AB? You can see AC, that is the hypotenuse, and AB, that is the cosec theta. So you can write it is cosec theta. So here is cosec theta whole square. So formula becomes 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So it is your second formula. Now come to the next formula, that is the cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Or you can say cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Now next, once again make a triangle. It is A, B and C. Angle B is a right angle. And once again, by the Pythagoras theorem, what will be happen? It is AB square plus BC squares is equal to AC square. Now the angle, this one is theta. Now dividing by, suppose this is your third equation, dividing by BC square to equation third, what will be happen? It is AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC squares is equal to AC square upon BC square. So what will be happen? BC square cancel to BC square. Here is AB upon BC whole square and plus 1 and equal to, that is the AC upon BC whole square. So what will be happen? Now check here, AB upon BC. AB is this, that is the perpendicular, and BC, that is the base. Perpendicular upon base, that is the tan theta. So you can write tan theta, and it is your hypotenuse. So AC upon BC, that is the AC upon BC, that is the hypotenuse upon base, that is the sec theta. So you can put the value. So AB upon BC, that is the tan theta whole square plus 1 is equal to, that is the sec theta whole square. So what will be happen? So it will be tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. But in general we can learn like this, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So this is your third formula. With the help of, we can make other two formulas. So first one is, you can say it is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, and the second is, that is the sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So it is the second part of this formula. Now come to the next one. Some formula like this, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and second one is cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Now cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and vice versa we can say sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So here is sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, and vice versa cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Similarly, tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Now come to some questions. How can solve the questions with the help of this formula? The question first, one question is, that is the tan to the power 4 theta and plus tan square theta equal to sec the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. How can do this formula? So question is prove that. How can do this question? It is very simple. First of all, we can attempt this question. Take left hand side. So here is left hand side. It is tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta. Now taking tan square theta as a common. So tan square theta we get here tan square theta plus 1, and tan square theta plus 1, that is 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. Do you know the formula? It is sec square theta. So you can put here formula. It is tan square theta, you can say here tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Put both the values in this equation. So what will be happen? So tan square theta, that is sec square theta minus 1, and here is 1 plus tan square theta, that is the sec square theta. Multiply inside, so it becomes sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta, and that is the right hand side. So you can do this very easy, so hence proved. Now come to the next question. What happened in the next question? The question is that sin to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta. The question is prove that. Now taking left hand side, so what will be happen? Sin to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta. It is sin square theta whole square, and it is cos square theta whole square. As you know, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So you can put this formula. So it is sin square theta plus cos square theta, and in second bracket it is sin square theta minus cos square theta. So it is your one. As you know the formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is the first formula. So you can write here. So it is 1, and we get here sin square theta minus cos square theta. So what will be happen? It is Sin square theta minus cos square theta. That is the right hand side of the question and then hence proved. ये आपका प्रूव हो गया है। अब चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गोइंग prove that. What will be prove that? Prove that sin to the power 4 theta and plus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta and cos square theta. So what will be happen? Take left hand side. So what will be happen? It is sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. Now it is sin square theta whole square and plus cos square theta whole square. Make perfect square, so we can add 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. So subtract also, so 2 sin square theta and cos square theta. So as you know, it's a formula, this one formula, it is the formula of sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square and minus it is 2 sin square theta and cos square theta. So what will be happen? Sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1, so 1 whole square minus 2 sin square theta and cos square theta. So it is 1 minus 2 sin square theta and cos square theta, and that is the right hand side of the question. So hence proved. You know, this question is very easy, so you can do this type of question. Now come to the next question. What will be next question? Prove that. Prove that. What will be prove that? That is the sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta is equal to 2 cosec theta. So now we can take left hand side. Left hand side is sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. It is your left hand side. Now take the LCM of denominator. So it is sin theta and 1 plus cos theta. So sin theta is multiply here, so it becomes sin square theta and plus 1 plus cos theta whole square. Both are same, so इसकी multiply इधर होनी है. So open the bracket, 1 plus cos square theta. So it is sin square theta plus, open this, it is cos square theta plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 into cos theta and divided by sin theta and 1 plus cos theta. As you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. So it is 1, this one is 1. So 1 plus 1 and 2 cos theta, and the denominator it is sin theta and 1 plus cos theta. 1 and 1, that is the 2. So here is 2 plus 2 cos theta and upon it is sin theta and here is 1 plus cos theta. As you know, 2 as a common, so we get 1 plus cos theta and in denominator it is sin theta and 1 plus cos theta. As you know, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta is cancel out. So what will be happen? So it becomes 2 upon sin theta. As you know, 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So it becomes 2 cosec theta, and that is the right hand side of the question, hence proved. It's very easy, so you can do very well. Now come to the another question. The question is that if x is equal to a sin theta and y is equal to b tan theta. Now prove that. What prove that? It is a square upon x square minus b square upon y square equal to 1. Now how can check? Take left hand side of this part. इस parts का left hand side लेना है, use करना है. So we can take this one. It is a square upon x square minus b square upon y square. Now I put the value of x and y. Put the value x and y. So we get a square. X is a sin theta. So you can write here a sin theta whole square. And minus b square. And here is b tan theta. And it is whole square. So a square upon, that is the a square sin square theta, and minus b square upon b square tan square theta. So a square and a square will cancel out, and b square will be cancel out to each other. So we get 1 upon sin square theta minus 1 upon tan square theta. So 1 upon sin square theta, that is the cosec square theta, and minus it is your cot square theta. As you know, 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta, and 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot theta. Now come to the formula. So cosec square theta, it is 1 plus cot square theta, or cot square theta as it is. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So cot square theta will be cancelled out. We get 1, and that is the right hand side of the question, hence proved. It is the second type of question, so you can do very well and easily. Now come to the another question. In another question, that is the some next question. It is tan square theta minus tan square phi is equal to sin square theta minus sin square phi upon cos square theta into cos square phi. So how can solve this? Now it is the also to prove that. The question is prove that. So taking left hand side of this question, it is tan square theta minus tan square phi. So what will be happen in this question? Now tan theta, it is sin theta upon cos theta, so you can write sin square theta upon cos square theta, and minus here is also sin square phi and cos square phi. Now taking their LCM. LCM is cos square theta and cos square phi. So here is sin square theta and cos square phi minus cos square theta sin square phi. After LCM we can do like this. It is sin square theta cos square phi, that is the 1 minus sin square phi. So we can write here 1 minus sin square phi. And here is cos square theta. So we can write here 1 minus sin square theta. And here is sin square phi. All the terms are changed into sin form. And here is cos square theta and cos square phi. Now multiply inside. It is sin square theta minus sin square theta sin square phi and minus sin square phi, and here is plus sin square theta into sin square phi. So sin square theta and sin square phi will be cancelled out to each other, and we get in down, that is the only cos square theta and cos square phi. So what will be happen? Here is, it becomes sin square theta minus sin square phi, and here is cos square theta into cos square phi, and that is the right hand side. So you can say it is your right hand side, hence proved. So you can do this type of question. Next question, if cos theta plus sin theta equal to under root 2 cos theta, then prove that. Then prove that cos theta minus sin theta equal to under root 2 sin theta. So now we can take this one and now start here. So cos theta plus sin theta is equal to under root 2 of cos theta. Now transfer to this cos theta on right hand side. So what will be happen? So here is sin theta is equal to under root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. So cos theta will be common. So under root 2 minus 1 we get in bracket. It is cos theta. Here is sin theta. So what will be happen? We can find the value of cos theta. It is sin theta upon under root 2 minus 1. Now multiply for rationalization. It is under root 2 plus 1. And here is also under root 2 plus 1. So what will be happen in this? So in this cos theta is equal to, here is sin theta and under root 2 plus 1 and divided by, it is a plus b and a minus b. So as you know, a plus b and a minus b will be equal to a square minus b square. So you can write here under root 2 whole square minus 1 whole square. So here is cos theta is equal to sin theta and under root 2 plus 1 upon, it is 2 minus 1. It becomes 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So we can write here cos theta is equal to, multiply inside this one. So it is under root 2 sin theta and plus sin theta, and in upon, that is the 1 only. So we can write or not 1. Now transfer to sin theta, this sin theta here. So cos theta minus sin theta is equal to under root 2 of sin theta, and it is the proved, hence proved. So you can write here proved. It's a very important question, so you can do very well. For the board purpose, it is very important.